Graduation season is right around the corner, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to design a custom, professional-looking graduation yard sign right here in Canva. It's super easy, and you don't need any graphic design experience. Let's just jump right into it. First things first, open up Canva and hit Create. We want to go down to Custom Size. Make sure you change the measurement dropdown from pixels to inches. For a standard yard sign, we're typing in 24 for the width and 18 for the height. Hit Create New Design, and let's get started on our blank canvas. All right, we have our canvas. I want to feature two photos for this design. Over on the left panel, click on Elements and scroll down until you see Frames. I'll grab this basic square frame, drag it over to the left side, and resize it just a bit. Below that, I want something a little more dynamic, so I'll go back to Elements, then click See All, and grab a banner or block shape. Let's stretch it so it matches the width of our square frame, and tuck it right underneath. Now for the fun part, adding our grad. Go to your Uploads tab. I'm going to drag my main graduation photo right into the top square frame. If it looks a little off-center, just double-click the photo and slide it around until it looks perfect. Let's drop a nice family photo into the bottom shape. Now, we want this sign to scream school pride. Click anywhere on the blank white background, click the color box at the top, and grab this eyedropper tool. I'm going to hover right over the graduate's maroon gown and click. Boom! Now our background matches the school colors perfectly. Now it's time to add some text, so everyone knows who's being celebrated. Press T on your keyboard or open the Text tab and add a heading. I'll type, Congratulations. Choose a bold, collegiate-style font that fits the graduation theme, then change it to any color you like. Next, add another text box and type Grad. Feel free to use a different font and color to make it stand out. To give your text more impact, click Effects, select Outline, and set the outline color to white. Adjust the thickness until the text really pops against the maroon background. I'll duplicate the text and change it to 2026. After that, add another text box for the student's name and one more for the school name. To pull the design together, click each photo frame, open the border style options, and apply a gold border. You can change the border color to any shade you prefer for a more premium polished look. Finally, head over to Elements and search for Gold Border. Pick any decorative border you like, place it around your design, and add any extra finishing touches to make the graduation layout even more eye-catching. Okay, this is looking incredible. The final and most important step is exporting this so it looks crisp and vibrant when you actually get it printed on plastic or vinyl. Go up to Share in the top right corner and hit Download. Change your file type to PDF print. This is crucial for high-quality printing. Finally, change your color profile to CMYK. Canva will note this is a pro feature, but it is the absolute best standard for physical printers. Hit Download and send that file to your local print shop. If this tutorial helped you out, please smash that like button, subscribe for more quick Canva tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing!